Hey everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make these flowers from scrap fabric pieces. You can use these flowers as keychain or bag charm. So let's see how to make these today's fun project. To make these flowers, you are going to need two fabric squares measuring 3 by 3 inch. First, lay the one square fabric on another with right sides touching together. Then, with 1/4 inch seam allowance, stitch a square inside this fabric square. You can hand stitch it or you can even machine stitch, whatever is the best for you. After stitching, clip off the corners. Now take any one side which you want to be seen on top of the flower, like in this flower it's solid blue. Now find the center of the square by folding the sides and gently finger pressing them. Now with the help of thread cutter, make small opening only to the top fabric to turn this fabric inside out. Here I am just making small slits along the 4 lines. Now quickly turn this inside out and poke all the 4 corners. After this, similarly find the center point of the another side of the fabric and then make a small cut or hole to insert the rope. Now take any kind of rope or piping and insert the one end of it from small cut and bring it to the other side. Now make 2-3 knots at the end of rope, and in this way our rope will be stuck there. Then take your needle and thread and insert the needle through the knot at this rope. Now insert the needle through this opening and bring it out at the center of any side. Now take small bunch of polyfill or cotton and fill this inside this square through this opening. Push filling nicely at the corners. Now insert your needle to the opposite side of the thread in the center and then pull the thread tight. Make 2-3 knots there. Now insert the needle to the other side in the center and then bring it to the opposite side of it. Pull the thread tight and make 2-3 knots. So the flower is almost ready. Just need to stitch or stick any bead or sequin in the center. So here I am stitching this golden bead at the center. Now trim the extra thread, and in this way our beautiful flower is ready. So in the same way you can make as many flowers as you want, And now let's move to the leaf making part. To make leaves, take green fabric which roughly measures 5 by 7 inches. Now fold the fabric in half along the shortest side, then again fold it in half. Now fold this whole in half along the longest side. Then with the help of chalk or pencil, draw shape of leaf. Start from the folded side, go little bit straight and then draw leaf touching the open side of the fabric till end. Now cut along this drawn shape. Now leave some gap in the center at any one side and stitch it all the way around with 1/4 inch seam allowance. So after stitching, now through this gap turn the leaf right side out. Poke the corners with the help of pencil. Now if you want, you can close this opening with invisible stitch, but I will leave it as it is, as it's not going to make much difference. Lastly, arrange your flowers and then attach a keyring to it like this. Now take the leaf and make a knot of it around rope on the top, and our beautiful flower keychain is ready. So friends, if you like this today's flower making tutorial, then please like this and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.